Most text animations look boring, but with one simple trick in After Effects, you can make them look cinematic. Let me show you how. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create this animation. Step 1. First, create a new composition. Add text layer. Now open the animate menu and select position and opacity. We're doing this because it allows us to control how the text moves into the frame. Animate range selector, move Y position 100% and opacity 0%. Add offset -100% and 1 second offset 100%. Open advanced panel snatch based on characters to words and shape square to ramp up and ease high 25%, ease low 100%. Add easy ease. Adjust speed graph and turn on motion blur for natural motion. And that's the final animation. We created it using the position animator and easy ease keyframes. Now you can apply the same technique to any text animation. If you want more After Effects tricks like this, subscribe because I post new tutorials every day.